Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to discuss another question about area between two curves. Now, in this question, we have a curve which is 7 minus e to the power of 2x. And we can see like a straight line in the middle over here, but we don't have the equation of the straight line. So they told me that the curve meets the x-axis at point P and meets the y-axis at point Q. Find the area of the shaded region. Now, if you look closely over here, okay, so in this graph that you see in front of you, if you want to find the integration from, let's say, this point to this point, so the integration from, I believe, from 0 to 1 over here, that means you're going to find the integration for everything, right? But we don't want to find the integration for everything. We just want to find the integration for this shaded region over here. So how do we do that? So basically what we are going to do, we are going to find the integration of everything. And then we are going to subtract it by the area of this right triangle over here. So the area of the shaded region, we're gonna put this as a formula over here. Not a formula, like a rule in this case. So basically, the area of the shaded region is going to be the area of total, like total area total, minus area of the triangle. So let's go ahead and find the area of the total first, because the area of the triangle is going to be very easy. So first things first. The area of the total area is going to be the integration from 0 to what? Now it looks 1. I know it looks 1. But maybe you're not going to see that it is clearly 1. So what are we going to do? We're going to find the x-intercept of this following function. So the x-intercept, it means that y is equal to 0, correct? So since y is going to be equal to 0, that means 7 minus e to the power of 2x is going to be equal to 0. Which means e to the power of 2x is going to be equal to 7. Now, ln on both sides, you're going to get ln e to the power of 2x equals ln 7. So 2x is going to be ln 7, and x is going to be ln 7 over 2. Now, ln 7 over 2 is going to be ln 7, okay, divided by 2, which is going to be 0.97. See that? So it is almost equal to 1, but it's not exactly equal to 1. So let's take 0.97. I know it's annoying, but it is what it is at the end of the day. So 0.97. And what is the top function right now? So basically the top function is going to be the curve, which is 7 minus e to the power of 2x. So 7 minus e to the power of 2x. And if we continue our straight line down, it is going to cut the x-axis. Now you're going to tell me, but mister, it's going to cut the straight line over here, which is this one. Remember, we're finding the area of the total. So this is the area that I'm finding right now. So the line, the straight line, I really don't care about it right now. So when you drop your pencil, it's going to cross the curve first, and then it's going to continue to cross the x-axis. So basically, it is going to be minus 0 dx. So the integration from 0 to 0.97, 7 minus e to the power of 2x dx, it is going to be 7x minus e to the power of 2x over 2. From where to where? From 0.97 and 0. So it's going to be 7 multiplied by 0.97 minus e to the power of 2 times 0.97 over 2 minus 0 and then minus e to the power of 0, which is going to be 1 over 2. So it's going to be 7 times 0.97, so 7 times 0.97, which is 6.79 minus e to the power of 2 times 0.97 over 2, which is going to be 3.47. So 6.79 minus 3.47 plus 1 over 2. So the final answer is going to be 6.79 minus 3.47 plus 0.5, which is going to be 3.82. So this is the area of the total thing, right? So the area of the triangle, what is the area of the triangle? First of all, the area of the triangle, it is base times height over 2, right? So area of triangle is base times height over 2. So if you look over here, the base is basically, let me erase all of this so you can see it clearly. So this is the triangle that we're dealing with. The base has a value, this base has a value of 0.97 units, right? Because we already got it from the first step, which is 0.97. Now all we need to find is the height. So from here to here, which means that it's very important, it is very important to find the top point over here. Hold on, let me fix it. Okay, so it's very important for me to find the top point, which is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept, we are going to do x is equal to 0 for this function. So now it's going to be, so y-intercept, it means x is equal to 0. So y equals 7 minus e to the power of 0, which is 1. So 7 minus 1, which is 6. So this is exactly equal to 6 units. So the height is 6 units. That means that the base is going to be 0.97 times 6 over 2. So 0.97 times 6 over 2, it is going to be times 6 divided by 2, 2.91. Finally, the area of the shaded region, it is going to be the total, which is 3.82 minus 2.91. So 3.82 minus 2.91, which is 0.91. Okay, now obviously the people who would use ln rather than 0.97, so some people might use ln 7 over 2 exactly. So ln 7 over 2 is basically exactly equal to 0.972955. So if the person uses this value exactly, he or she might get a number similar to 0.91. Maybe they will get like 0.90, maybe they will get 0.89. But if it's very, very close to 0.91, it's totally fine. It's totally correct. Okay, so this is it, guys, for this video. I hope you benefited. And if you have any questions or if I made some mistake, please comment on this video. Thank you so much.